Hello, dear traders. How is everybody doing today? I want to welcome you all to Olymptrade. My name is Angie. I am a financial analyst with Olymptrade, and this is day 2 of the 6 Days Traders Way Challenge. Today we're going to continue speaking about the starter status more in detail, and we're going to live trade, complete our daily tasks, and also get XP on our Traders Way. As always, my friends, first I'd like to check the sound and the picture. Please let me know in chat if you can hear me well and if you can see me well. Let me know what country you're joining me from today. Let me know if you're new. Let me know if you were here yesterday. Or just put a plus sign, just let me know that everything is okay with the sound and the picture. While I am waiting for your reply, as always, I would like to remind you to please go ahead and make sure that you are subscribed. Give this video a thumbs up, show me your support, it really does matter, and ring the bell so that you're always up to date whenever we release something new. Whenever we start our live streams and so forth. So you always want to be in the loop, so you want to make sure that you are subscribed. Okay, let me take a peek in chat. Arpan Chakraborty, hello, hello. Toshan, hello from India. Nurbek, hello, hello. Welcome everyone, and Jaya Shri as well, hello. So you can hear me and you can see me well, fantastic. Thank you so much. Niku Singh states that he was here yesterday, fantastic, from India. So my friends, just like I promised yesterday, today we are going to discuss the Moving Average Advisor, which is available for everybody to use as part of the starter status. We'll also talk about the Stochastic RSI indicator, which becomes available on level 3 of the Traders Way, and then the Trailing Stop Loss, which becomes available on level 8 of the Traders Way on the starter status. Daniel is hello from Jupiter. Hello, hello. So my friends, I'm not going to spend a lot of time going over the challenge again. If you missed the starting stream yesterday, I'll go ahead and post a link to the stream in chat. Okay, I just posted the link to yesterday's stream in chat. Likewise, what you can do is you can check out our YouTube community. We have all the necessary information about the challenge in our recent posts. And you also want to check up on the YouTube community, because we post a lot of information there and stuff like that. So just a quick little recap, my friends. The main objective of the challenge is to show you the 3 service levels that are available on the Olymptrade platform, which is the starter status, the advanced status, and the expert status. And also to show you how to complete the Traders Way. So in order to participate, my friends, in the challenge, all you have to do is make a deposit using the special promo code that you see behind me right here. It's TW2021. The promo code is actually also pinned in chat, and likewise, it's also in the description of this video. The promo code will add plus 30% to your deposit, and you will be added to the list of challenge participants. At the end of the challenge, which is going to be this Saturday, February the 6th, we'll have 10 winners. 10 main winners. The winners will be the traders that make the maximum amount of profit trading on FTT mode. My friends, before we begin, I just have one more quick reminder and announcement, please. Tomorrow is Wednesday, February the 3rd, and during our live stream tomorrow, we are going to tell you and show you everything about the advanced status. We are going to tell you about the additional benefits that the status offers and show you how the Traders Way works on the advanced status with the new advantages as well. All challenge participants that made a deposit using the special promo code TW2021 will be upgraded to the advanced status for 48 hours. So you'll be able to trade along with us on Wednesday and Thursday following the advanced status. This means that if you are new or if you are joining for the first time, you still have time to participate by making the deposit using the special promo code that you see behind me. Use the promo code before 5 p.m. GMT today in order to be in the list. To have the upgraded status to advanced. And yes, I do see some people in chat. Carrie Ramirez, actually, I think I saw a comment from you as well, where you would like the there to be a translation in Spanish. We actually have a regional YouTube channel for Portuguese speaking speakers, and also for Latin America, for Spanish speaking traders. Unfortunately, the challenge is not going on the Latin America, but maybe you can check the Brazilian channel. That would be maybe possibly closer to you. And yes, the other thing that I wanted to mention is that I see in chat people are asking about the risk-free trades. So yes, just as I promised you yesterday at the end of the stream, we will raffle 3 risk-free trades by choosing random comments from our stream yesterday. So my friends, stay tuned. Alrighty, let me go ahead and switch to the platform. Alrighty, so yesterday we went over like the whole starter status, and I showed you where everything is located, how the Trader's Way works and XP points and stuff like that. And so yesterday I traded a lot. After the webinar, you know, I had some good trades. I had a few negative trades and stuff like that, but I was able to reach level 9 of the Trader's Way. And as a whole, my trading yesterday brought me close to $20 worth of profit, which is not bad. Which is not a bad result with a balance of $100. And as you can also see, the Trader's Way is not hard to complete, so you can all complete it, and you can all gain these additional benefits and advantages and bonuses, and also, of course, the upgraded status. Let's look at some of the benefits that were opened for me as I completed these levels. Okay, so you see I'm on level 9. If we click right here, we can see all these services that became available to me. So the moving average advisor, which we're going to go over in just a second, this is actually available for everybody to use on the starter status. On the second level, I got a bonus for my on my deposit, 30%. On the third level, I had the stochastic RSI became available in my indicators. Then on level 4, we have another bonus deposit, which is already 40%. Level 5 is where you can test drive the advanced status for 24 hours. Now, I did not activate it because today we're going to continue trading on the starter status. Level 6 right here is where you get the advanced status for half the price. If you recall yesterday, I told you one of the easiest ways to get an upgraded status is to make a deposit. When you make a deposit of at least $500, you are automatically upgraded to the advanced status for 30 days. And if you make a deposit of at least $2,000, then you would be upgraded to the expert status for 30 days. So basically, this means at level 6, this means that if you made a deposit of $250 or more, you would be automatically upgraded to the advanced status. Then on level 7, I enjoyed another bonus on my deposit on my next deposit, which is 50%. Whoop, whoop. And level 8 opened the trailing stop loss, which we'll also talk about today. This is a feature to trade on the Forex mode. And at level 9, I actually got 2 risk-free trades worth $5. And I actually see that they have appeared here as well. So I got 2 risk-free trades at level 9. Additionally, let's take a peek at what our daily tasks for today are. So to get 400 XP, we have to open 5 trades that last more than 5 minutes and that are no less than $4 each. Okay, so 5 trades that last more than 5 minutes, no less than $4 each. So then we have open 3 trades that last less than 5 minutes and of no less than $4 each. And then open 3 trades of no less than $6 each. So basically, I can kind of combine this last task with one of these. And what I can do is I can just open trades for not for $4, but for $6. And I can kind of combine the daily tasks and complete them together. So just take note that you can do this as well. So you can complete both tasks simultaneously. Alrighty, so we are going to look for some trades, of course, and try to complete these daily tasks. So today we are going to be opening trades using the moving average advisor, the stochastic RSI. Let's start with the moving average advisor. Okay, so an advisor gives you automatic signals following a specific strategy. In this case, the moving average strategy. You can find the advisors by clicking on this indicators tab. So we have the indicators, we have trading strategies, and we have advisors. So by clicking on the advisors, here is where you can find open or connect the advisor. Now, I do want to mention that if you are new and you don't see the moving average advisor, then what you have to do is click on this market tab. Then go to my inventory and you'll see that the moving average advisor is available. So you just have to click on open and then it's going to become available in that menu if you by some chance don't see it. And since we are here, you would actually do the same if by some chance you don't have the stochastic RSI in your indicators menu. Then just go to the market, my inventory. This is everything that's available for you to use. And click on open. So basically, whenever you attach the moving average advisor, so I just attached it, what's going to happen is the advisor is going to be right up here in the upper left corner, and what it's going to do is it's going to say waiting for signal. Okay, my friends, I do have our support in chat if there are any really important questions, then I'm sure my colleague will help me. And if not, I'm going to go over everything and then I'll get back to chat at the end, my friend. Okay, so let me just do my explanation so that we don't get distracted. So the advisor will say waiting for signal. When there is a signal, you will see a blue light bulb will appear in the bottom, at the bottom of the chart. And then if you click on the light bulb, the signal will appear. Of course, I'm going to show you this in just 1 second. Now, the way that the strategy works, this specific strategy, the moving averages, is when two moving averages cross. Okay, and I think we actually use, a lot of times we use the moving average crossings for trading. For this strategy, the moving average periods are two simple moving averages, the two SMAs. One with a period of 4, which is going to be our faster moving average, and the second SMA with a period of 60, which is the slower moving average. What we can do to better understand and to visually see how this works is we can add the two SMAs to our chart. Okay, so let me go ahead and do that right now. Indicators, SMA, SMA. So I added two SMAs. I changed one of the periods to 4, make it a little bit more visible. And the second one we're going to change to 60. Okay, let's make it blue. Okay, so this is just so that we can actually see and understand how it works. But of course, the whole point of the advisor is that you do not have to have these indicators on your chart. The platform will automatically send you these signals. Now let's see how it works and let's find some signals with this advisor. So basically, whenever this faster moving average with the period of 4 crosses the slower moving average from top to bottom, during this cross is where we would get a signal. Okay, so let me go ahead and switch between a few. Right now I'm looking at the 5-minute time frame, since I do want to try and trade with you as much as possible and so that we can actually see the results. So on the 5-minute time frame, let me just go through a few assets. And if I find something, I'm going to let you know what I'm looking at. Okay. The euro and the Australian dollar. Okay, so as you can see right here, it really wants to get here, but it's not there yet. I'm going to add euro AUD to my selection. All right, Euro NZD, we have a similar situation. Okay, so if we have a cross, then we would have a signal. Of course, while you are trading, you do actually have to also pay attention where the price is. Where the price is basically, like in comparison to like the nearest level of resistance and or support. Because if we see a cross like right here, okay, we have a new signal. Okay, see this new signal right here, and we have a blue light bulb appears right down here in the bottom of the chart. Oh, I missed the signal, my friends. I wanted to show you. No worries, we have time, so that's not a problem. I'm going to go ahead and show you this in just a second. Okay, so you see how this is an iffy signal for me personally, because what I did was I identified that the price is close to a very strong level of resistance. So it met it as resistance here, 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 and here. So the price is having a hard time breaking above this level or moving higher. So even if we do have a cross right here, I would prefer to wait for the price to break above this level of resistance before I enter a trade. Alrighty, let's move on. Let's look for some more GBP CAD. Okay, 1 second. Let me find something. I want to find a signal so that I can show you how it looks. The thing is that when we actually click on the blue light bulb, the parameters, the trade parameters will actually only the trade parameters that are for the signal will be open. And I'll show you what this means. Alrighty. Give me just a second here. We're going to find something, I promise you. If you guys would like ZXCV. I use the strategy, 100% works. That's really cool. What I would like to suggest, since we are looking at the moving average advisor, is go ahead and add this. If you're in front of your computer, go ahead and add this, the moving average advisor, to your charts. And if you see a signal on some other time frames, you can let me know in chat and we'll check it together. So on the 5-minute time frame, let me go ahead and drop somewhere lower. And let's look at them again. Okay, so this would have been a signal to enter a buy trade, an uptrend, up trade. Euro AUD, it looks like it wants to have this cross. Maybe we'll wait for it. Go ahead and change my trade time. Let me go ahead and prepare. You always want to make sure that you have the right parameters set up. For example, on the trailing stop, I do have an example for you on the demo account. And as you can see, I have my $20 here. So always check your parameters and the trade duration before you enter your trades. Okay, I'm going to see. Again, so this is going to be a strong level of support, my friends. Do you see what I mean? So even if we do have this cross right here, I would like for the price to break this level of support before we enter a trade, because you can see it met it as support here and a lot of times here, and it was resistance here. Okay, so this is Euro AUD. Okay, see, new signal, light bulb appears. If I click on it, the advice is to enter a down trade for 2 minutes. And as you can see, the up trade parameters is closed. The trade duration is closed. The only thing that you can change is the trade amount, and you can click the direction of the signal. But just like I mentioned, you do want to pay attention to where the price is according to your nearest levels of support and or resistance, because as you can see, this is a very strong level of support, and therefore I want the price to break this level down before I enter a trade. Just a moment. See, it's starting to bounce from this support. Signal down. Okay, let me go ahead and look for some other currency pairs, my friends. I apologize for the silence, my friends. I'm just going through some different assets to see if I can find another signal using the moving average advisor. Okay, so we're looking at the 1 minute time frame right now. Okay, I'm just looking through the chat while I am looking for some signals as well. Morning from Nigeria. Hello, hello. Okay, this would have been a nice up trade. Let me go ahead and do this a little faster so that I don't miss out on some signals. But here we already are running into a lower rate of return. So remember, this percentage is your rate of return. This is your profitability. So I always tend to try and trade with a rate of return of at least 80%. Okay, check the DAX on 5 minutes. Alrighty, give me just a second. Let's look at DAX, 80% return. Very good. 5 minutes, 5 minutes, 5 minutes. Well, it's actually not giving me a signal quite right now. They are kind of intertwined. They are thinking. Give me just a second here. Let me think. Let me look at this level right here. I would be hesitant to enter a buy trade right this second. I do want it to break above this level of resistance, my friends. So remember, it was here for a while, couldn't break below this level of support, finally broke this level of support, came back to retest it, and let's see what it's going to do now. But then again, I really want to enter a trade following the signal. But I guess the good thing is that basically you see how it works. Okay, let me find some more. Okay, this looked like it wanted to cross, but it didn't. Alrighty, give me just a moment. Let me try and find another signal for us so we can enter a trade. Ooh, the dollar index. Excuse me, the FTSE 100. Oh, new signal. If we click on the light bulb, advise up trade for 2 minutes. Okay, let's go ahead and try it. So I entered my trade for $6. As you can see with the advice, only the up trade is available. The duration is shaded gray because of the signal. Okay. So we'll wait for that. We do have 2 minutes. It's kind of struggling right now. But basically, this is how it's going to work right here. If it's looking for a signal, it's going to say waiting for signal. Once we have a signal, it'll be green and say signal up if we have a signal to enter an up trade. And likewise, it'll be red. And this button will also be red if we have a signal to enter a down trade. So this is FTSE 100 on the 1 minute time frame, my friends. I do also want to just for you guys to pay your attention to the fact that the webinar, the live stream, it may have a little bit of a lag. So you do want to keep that in mind. If you are following my trades, just keep in mind that there may be a little lag. Alrighty, and as soon as the signal disappears, obviously the light bulb will disappear, and also, of course, it's going to say waiting for signal again. So let's see here. So open 3 trades that last less than 5 minutes and of no less than $4 each. Oh, right, because my trade duration is only 2 minutes. So as you can see, with 1 trade, I already completed the first of the 3 trades for 2 of my daily tasks. Okay, so don't forget that you can do this like this as well. Let's see what else we have. Let's see what else we have. Okay, 1 minute time frame. This is too little of rate of return. What's going on here? What's going on here? I don't usually trade crypto on lower time frames. Let me just run through this one more time. Okay, look at that. USD JPY, 70% rate of return. We do have advice. Oh, okay, so I just gained $4.80 and 108 XP points for the trade that we just completed. Okay, so this is kind of iffy. I don't like this going back and forth, and I see that, you know, the signals appeared and then it's disappearing, so I'm going to go check a higher time frame. Yeah, no, I'm not going to go into here. I'm just going to run through this one more time to see if I possibly see another signal, and then we'll proceed. Okay, my friends? GBP USD will be amazing after 5 hours. 5 hours. Why after 5 hours? Clark Shu used 2 SMAs, right? Yes, the moving average advisor, it follows the moving average strategy, which is a combination of 2 simple moving averages, one with a period of 4, the faster moving average, and the second with a period of 60, which is going to be our slower moving average. Okay, my friends, so this is all that I can see right now for our signals. Of course, we can check some higher time frames, and I actually do prefer to trade on some higher time frames, like the 1 hour and the 30-minute time frame. Oh, this would have been nice. This would have been nice. Let me just try the 30-minute time frame. Let me just run through this one more time. The longer time frame can be beneficial for both of us. Is when we're looking at some lower time frames that, you know, it's hard to follow along. It's hard to follow along because of the lag in the video. Gaikwad, we were supposed to get a new strategy for the challenge, right? I do want to ask you, are you subscribed to our YouTube channel? Do you get our notifications? Did you ring that bell? Because go ahead and check our YouTube community, my friends. All our participants, please don't forget to check out all the materials that are available for you that we provide for you, my friends. So check out the YouTube community. Mayur. I was looking at this right here. I know this is a strong level of support. We broke above it. It looks like it wants to intertwine. So here we have the cross. I'm actually going to go ahead and enter this up trade. Because we broke this level of resistance and we were very close to the intersection. So I'm looking at the 30-minute time frame. I'm going to use a $6 and I'm going to enter this for 1 hour up trade. And as you can see, now I've already completed 2 trades of this last one. So I opened 2 trades that are more than $6 each, and I've completed another one here. Because I opened a trade that is no less than $4 and is for more than 5 minutes. Really, really interesting. Okay, it looks like it's about to intersect right here. Okay, so this is basically how it's going, how the moving average advisor works. I really hope that it's going to be useful for you. Don't forget to use it. Okay, so Josh, again, so the blue line is 60, yellow is 20. No, so Gineris Diaz Flores, thank you so much. You are correct. The SMA 60 is blue and the yellow is 4. So, okay, so the next thing on our agenda, I think I'll probably keep this on here for now so that we can kind of, if we possibly see a signal during the stream, we'll go ahead and enter another trade following that advisor. So the next thing on our agenda is a stochastic RSI indicator. Let's go ahead and add it to our chart. You just click on the indicator, scroll down to the oscillators. It's actually the last oscillator in stochastic RSI. This is actually basically a hybrid, a combination of 2 oscillators. So two oscillator indicators in one. We have the stochastic oscillator and the RSI oscillator. Pretty common sense, right? So what's really cool about it is that it better times and it better shows when an asset is overbought, too high, or when the asset is oversold, meaning that the price is too low. Just like with other oscillators, the indicator line travels between two boundaries. 0.8. Oh, we have a signal. Oh, we already entered this trade. Okay, so it travels between two boundaries. Let me just check to make sure that you can see this part. Let me move right here. So basically you can see it travels between the upper boundary, which is 0.8 or 80%. This is the this area marks the beginning of the overbought area. And likewise, right here, we have the bottom boundary, which is the green line, which is 0.2 or 20%. And this line marks the beginning of the oversold area, my friends. Likewise, in the middle of the channel, we have the 0.5, which is the 50%, which is the middle of the channel. Our signal to enter a trade is when the line is coming back from the overbought, from the overbought or the oversold area towards the middle of the channel. So basically what we can see is right here, we can enter a down trade, and what we can see right here is that the price indeed did decrease. And likewise right here, when the price is coming back from the oversold area up towards the middle of the channel, this would be a signal to enter an up trade. As you can see, the price did indeed increase. And likewise, just right here. So when the price is coming back from the overbought area towards the middle of the channel. What I would like to do, what I'm going to do is I'll go ahead and one more time, I'm going to run through our assets that are available on the platform, and we're going to see if we can find some signals using the stochastic RSI oscillator. Now, another thing, forgive me that I forgot to mention about the stochastic RSI, is that another additional signal that you can get is when the line is crossing this the middle of the channel. So basically, if we have a clear downtrend and the price crosses, the line crosses the 50 mark, the middle of the channel from top to bottom, we can, this can be another potential signal to enter a downtrend. And as you can see right here, the price did indeed decrease when the line crossed this, this middle right here. And likewise scenario right here, when the price crossed this middle line, we did have an uptrend and the price did increase after that cross. So this is like a secondary signal that you can use with the stochastic RSI. So on the 30-minute time frame, Euro US dollar, it actually broke above this faster moving average. So it would have a potential to reach this level of resistance, and we did cross this, but it's kind of flat now. What I'll do is, I'm looking at the 30-minute time frame. What I'll do is I'll go ahead and I'm going to go ahead and try this trade. What I'll do is I'll enter the trade for that equals the trade duration will be equal to my time frame. So I'm going to enter it for 30 minutes, and I'm going to attempt to trade to make an up trade. Okay, so we entered an up trade for 30 minutes. Daily task completed. Alrighty, let's see. So the $6 trades, I've already completed this daily task. I do have a few more here. So I have 3 more trades, $4 each, more than 5 minutes, and 2 more trades, less than 5 minutes. Okay, let's see what we can do. Go ahead and try to see if I can use this on a lower time frame, maybe possibly the 10-minute time frame. So, okay, let me just run through this. How is everybody doing? Just run through this. See if I can see a potential signal. Well, this we can, I think we can trade this. The price is attempting to break below this faster moving average. The line is crossing the overbought area from top to bottom. We're looking at the 10-minute time frame. So what I'll do is I'll go ahead and enter this trade for 20 minutes, and we'll switch to $4. Okay, enter a down trade. So I already completed 3 of these, and that would be for 20 minutes. Okay, so euro and Australian dollar is looking good following the moving average advisor. AUD CAD, the Australian dollar and the Canadian dollar 10-minute time frame is also looking good using the RSI oscillator. Excuse me, the stochastic RSI oscillator. And euro US dollar, well, for euro US dollar, we still have 27.5 minutes. So we're going to see how that is going to work out. Okay, my friends, so this is basically what I wanted to show you about using the new tools that are become available for you during the Trader's Way. And by the way, if you want to get some more information about the stochastic RSI, if you want to go more in detail about it, Yaroslav actually recently released a really cool and detailed video about it that you can watch. I just posted the link in the chat again. And if you're watching this video after the webinar, you'll have the link appear in this corner right here. Alrighty, so now my friends, the last thing that I wanted to show you and speak to you about is called the trailing stop loss. Again, we've had a lot of videos and we've had a lot of videos and streams on how to trade Forex and how to use the stop loss and how to use the take profit and all that jazz. I'm also going to post another link in chat. You can watch this video where I go over in detail about the different orders on our platform. The pending order, the take profit order, the stop loss order, the trailing stop loss order, and so forth. Just a second here. Let me go ahead and post that link for you in chat so that you don't miss it. So, my friends, the main thing that you have to remember is that the market moves in waves. Let me go ahead and switch to my example. We're going to look at the euro US dollar. We're going to switch to the 1 hour time frame. And go ahead and take this off. Okay, so let's look at this example right here. So the price tends to moves in waves. For example, let's say that we spot this reversal. And we see that the price starts to move in an uptrend. The price moves up, then it corrects back down to support, and then it moves up again, followed by another correction before we have another move up. So this is what I mean, it moves in waves. It goes up, correction, and so forth. And likewise, if we're moving down, if we have a downtrend, it's going to correct up to our resistance, move down again, correct up to our resistance, and so forth. So initially, we would set our stop loss. Let's say we entered our trade right here. Initially, we would set our stop loss slightly below the local low. And after each correction, whenever we have another price movement, we can adjust the stop loss with in the direction of our trend. We would adjust the stop loss because first it's the stop loss's point is for us to minimize our losses in case the price starts to move in the opposite direction of our trade. So the thing is, right here we would be if we entered an uptrend right here and the price started moving against us, and we would be in the minus, but we would not lose the entire amount of our trade. But as the price moves in the direction of our trade and we adjust the stop loss, first we would break even. So even if the price starts moving against us, we would not lose anything. And likewise, if we adjust it even higher in the direction of our trade, then the stop loss actually becomes a take profit because it becomes profitable. It's not in the minus anymore. So the main point of the trailing stop loss is that it's going to follow the price automatically so that you don't have to worry about it. For example, if we set our stop loss to minus $10, every time that the trade gains $10, the stop loss will adjust in the direction of the trade as well. I do have a quick little example for you on the on my demo account. So right here, I entered a trade for $20. Go ahead and switch right here. So this is where I entered my trade. As you can see, it was a good trade. Should have opened it on my live account. But this was just so I can explain and show to you how this works. And as you can see, the stop loss, I've already connected the trailing stop loss. It's this little magnet that you see right here. And as you can see, my stop loss is actually plus $4.55 on my demo account. So basically, as it's moving in the direction of my trade and I'm gaining more and more profit, the stop loss is moving and adjusting down as well. The way that you can set the trailing stop loss is, first of all, in this auto closing trading stop loss, you can turn it on before you place the trade. You can likewise turn it on in the trade parameters by checking this stop loss right here, trailing stop loss. And the third way that you can do it is that you can click on this little magnet right here. So, you know, the magnet is like, it's going to be trailing. It's going to magnetize towards the, in the direction of your trade. So it's going to follow the price movement. So by clicking on this, the little magnet. Okay, so this is basically how the trailing stop works. This is a feature that for Forex. I do want to remind you once again that during the challenge, you can trade, of course. You're welcome to trade on both FTT and Forex, whichever you prefer. But the winners of the challenge are going to be the traders that make the maximum amount of profit trading on FTT mode. So the trailing stop is a really great tool for traders who can't spend a lot of time in front of the computer following the trade, and also for traders who keep their trades open overnight. So I guess, my friends, this is the perfect time to go ahead and do our raffle. So basically, I just want to remind you guys, this is just the homepage of our YouTube channel. Don't forget to check on the community. We have some posts about the challenge. You don't want to miss them. You want to check them out. Just a quick reminder. And so this was our stream from yesterday. What I'm going to do is I'll go ahead and I'm going to use this website. It's called Raffle Dash. And it's basically going to choose 3 random winners that left 3 random comments that were left before below the video of our yesterday's stream. So basically, I'll just take this link, put it right here, and we're going to go ahead and choose our random winners. My friends, if you are in chat and you see that you are the winner, go ahead and please send us a shout out. Alrighty, so the first winner, are you guys ready? If you're ready, I'm ready. Let's give out some risk-free trades. I like risk-free trades. I know you like risk-free trades because you ask about it all the time. Alrighty, pick random winner. The first winner is going to be Shaidul Shaikh. I really try my best to pronounce your names, my friends. If I mispronounce it, I do hope that you will forgive me. ID number 696 83041. Okay, Shaidul is our first winner for today. I want to congratulate you. Dear Olymptrade, I lost around $300 till I have joined Olymptrade, but I hope I'm going to earn profits soon. Yes, I wish you the best of luck, Shaidul. I hope that you're going to gain some useful information during our challenge, and good luck in trading, and I do hope that you will gain profit that you are yearning for. Shaidul, if you're in chat, please give us a shout out. Let us know that you're here. Congratulations. Our second winner for today. Our second winner for today is going to be Olymptrade Global. Well, Olymptrade Global just won a risk-free trade. Do you have an upgraded status? Did you get it by completed the Traders Way? Let us know below. That was me. That's my comment. Whoop, whoop. Of course, I'm not going to count it in the raffle dash. Okay, so let's go ahead and start again. Let's choose our second winner. Our second winner is going to be Chinodu Dora. Chinodu Dora, account ID number 26446996. I want to congratulate you. I am learning to trade in Olymptrade. Well, I welcome you. I'm very happy to see that you are with us. And I want to congratulate you on winning the second risk-free trade. Let's see, is Shinodu Dora, are you in chat? Are you with us today? Alrighty, my friends, and let's go ahead and choose our last winner for today. The third risk-free trade is going to go to, are you ready? I'm ready. Let's go. Whoop. And our last winner for today is going to be Mortuza T. ID number is 7131779. I want to congratulate you. You are our last winner for today. You are always doing your best, Angie. Thank you so much. That is such a sweet comment. I do try to do my best for all of you. I'm here for you. We're here for you. And we hope that you enjoy our streams and our services. My euro is going to be any risk-free trades for tomorrow. You'll have to come to our stream tomorrow to find out. We are going to have more risk-free trades and more games during the span of the week. This I can most certainly promise you. Once again, I just want to congratulate all of our winners for today. Excuse me. As always, of course, I do want to remind you to please go ahead and make sure that you are subscribed to our YouTube channel. Give this video a thumbs up. Show me your support. I hope that you're enjoying the challenge. I know I'm enjoying the challenge. I hope that you're completing your Trader's Way, that you're gaining XP points, and that you're gaining all these awesome benefits and additional bonuses as well. And so, my friends, just a quick reminder, tomorrow. Okay, let me just make sure. Okay, I do see there was a little glitch. So, my friends, this means that by today, 5 p.m. GMT, you still have time to use the promo code and get the advanced status for 48 hours. Again, don't forget to check up on our YouTube community. Make sure that you are subscribed. Give this video a thumbs up. Ring the bell. Thank you for watching, and we will see you tomorrow. Thanks so much.